Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ashwini Gunwantachede and I am presenting analysis of good and bad features of electrical vehicle. In this PPT, we will see the content as below. First is introduction, second is aim of project, third is literature review, then fourth one is good features of project, then fifth one is bad features of project, the sixth one is application of micro project, and the last one is references. So, first introduction. An electric vehicle is also called as EV. An electric vehicle may be self-contained with a battery, solar panels, or an electric generator to convert fuel to electricity. Electric vehicles first come into existence in the mid of 19th century when electricity was among the preferred method for motor vehicles time. Modern internal combustion engines have been the dominated population method for motor vehicles for almost 100 years, but electric power has remained commonplace in other vehicle types such as trains and similar. The next is aim of project. In aim of project, we will see to analyze the good and bad features of e-vehicle, then to study all information about good features in e-vehicle, then to study bad features of e-vehicle. Then we will see literature review. In literature review, with the increasingly several environment problem around the world, explosion of clean and renewable energy has been a cruel topic. As indispensable transportation in modern society, vehicles are ubiquitous but also one of the main source of pollutant. Because of their states, it's almost impossible to decrease the volume of vehicles. Then, one solution is lowering emission is the electric vehicle. Overall, the electric vehicle is more energy efficient, environmentally friendly and cleaner than the vehicle that relies on fossil fuels, especially when smart grids have become omnipresent. By popularizing the electric vehicle, the environment and economical cost of vehicles can be significantly reduced. Hence, the electric vehicle has attracted the attention of academia as well as industry in the recent decades. Next is good features of electric vehicles. First one is no gas required. In electric vehicles, entirely charged by the electricity you provide, meaning you don't need to buy any gas ever again. Driving fuel-based cars can burn a hole in your pocket as price of fuel have gone all the time high. The second one is saving. These cars can be sold for very cheap prices, and many more new cars will offer great incentives for you to get money back from the government for going green. Electric cars can also be a great way to save money in your own life. The third one is no emission. Electric cars are 100% eco-friendly as they run on electrically powered engine. It does not emit toxic gases or smoke in the environment as it runs on clean energy source. They are even better than hybrid cars as hybrid running on gas produce emission. You will be contributing to a healthy and green climate. The fourth one is popularity. Electric vehicles are growing in popularity. With popularity comes all new types of cars being put on the market that are each unique, providing you with a wealth of choices moving forward. The sixth one is safe to drive. Electric cars are undergo same fitness and testing procedures test as other fuel powered cars. In case an accident occurs, one can expect airbags to open up and electricity supply to cut from the battery. This can prevent you and other passengers in the car from serious injury. Then cost effective. Earlier, owning an electric car would cost a bomb, but with more technology advancement, both cost and maintenance have gone down. The mass production of batteries and available tax incentives have further brought down the cost, thus making it much more cost effective. The last one is low maintenance. Electric cars runs on electric powered engine and hence there is no need to lubricate the engine or the expensive engine works a thing of past. Therefore, the maintenance cost of these cars has come down. You don't need to send it to service station often as you do a normal gasoline powered cars. The last one is bad features of electric vehicles. Recharge point. Electric fueling stations are still in the development stages. Not a lot of places you go to on a daily basis will have electric fueling stations for your vehicle, meaning that if you are on a long trip and run out of a change, you may be stuck where you are. Then second one is short driving range and speed. Electric cars are limited by range and speed. Most of these cars have range about 50 to 100 miles and need to be recharged again. You can't use them for long journey as of now, although it is expected to improve in future. The last one is longer recharge time. While it takes couple of minutes to fuel your gasoline powered car and electric car take about 4 to 6 hours to get fully charged. Therefore, you need dedicated power stations as the time taken to recharge them is quite long. The last one is references is YouTube.